like Tughlaq, Lodi, and Mughals. Why they came here? They came here for playing video games or PUBG games? No, they came here for business.
Being a businessman and to do a business is not a job of every Tom, Dick, and Harry.
In business, we are the owner of our business, but in job, we have to work under some persons.
If you start your business, so definitely you need employee. And if you don't have employees, so how can you grow your business?
We are businessmen. We can purchase every time, every talent, and every degree because we are businessmen.
Business owner bears their full responsibility for their own business success and failures. So wouldn't be a waste of time if the business fails?
If we can work for any person or any organization, so why we can't work for ourselves?
Well, I have observed one thing. This is my personal experience that job cannot be transferred to your children, but business can be transferred to your children. It seems like that a tree, you just plant a tree. When it is super ready to give you the fruits, you transfer to your children. This is a beautiful example of supporting business point of view.
Boys or males are talking about the business is quite understood. Why all you girls about talking on business? I have a question.
In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. O Allah, honor of sovereignty. You give sovereignty to whom you will, and you take sovereignty from whom you will. You honor whom you will, and you humble whom you will. Indeed, in your hands is all the good, and surely, truly, you are competent over all the things. Well, guys, today we are going to have debate about job versus business, which is really intellectual topic. And a lot of people are confused what to do, what not to do. So guys, keep watching this video. Inshallah, we are going to discuss things in detail and in depth. So you are going to get benefit of our discussion. Obviously, we are going to talk about pros and cons of both sides, job and business. So guys, now introduce yourself one by one and share why you support job and why you support business. Okay, who all are going to support job? So raise your hand. Okay, cool. Just only 3. Okay, who all are going to support business? Okay, now definitely job people will have to speak a lot. Okay, cool. Let's see. Okay, who is going to say something first? Okay.
Assalamu alaikum to all. My name is Maria Khanam and today's topic is that job versus business, and I support job. Because in business, you will have to make much more compromises, sacrifices, giving up on things, pressure and also tension. That's why job is easier than a business. That's why I support job. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sayyeda Manu Shiraz and I am supporting job because job allow clearer distinction between work and personal life.
Assalamu alaikum to all. This is Mohammad Kashan. First of all, I would like to say thanks to the team of KELP that who gave me a wonderful opportunity to speak on a debate, and the topic is job versus business. And I'm supporting job because when we talk about being a businessman and when we talk about to do a business, so being a businessman and to do a business is not a job of every Tom, Dick, and Harry. One wrong decision and one single incident can ruin not only your professional life but your personal life as well. So that's why I'm supporting job. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum to all. My name is Afsarov. I am doing ADC BCom Part 1. Our debate topic is job versus business. I am also supporting business because business can take care of whole family to others, but job only take care of 1 or 2 persons.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. My name is Nadeem Ahmed and I am supporting business. The importance of business is interconnected with social economics.
Assalamu alaikum to all. My name is Sayyeda Manu Shiraz and today our debate topic is business versus job, and I support business because through a job or through a good job we can take care of our family better, but we also have to think about those people who do not have a job. That's why I support business, because if I'll have a business, then I'll be able to provide job to those people who do not have a job.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum all of you. First of all, I would like to thank you, Sir Khalid, give me an opportunity to share my thoughts. Guys, as you all know that my name is Mohsin Raza from Gulshan Iqbal. Today again we are going to have a debate on a wonderful topic, job versus business, and I support business.
Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Thank you. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Binish. My father's name is Abdul Rahim. I am doing ADC BCom Part 1. Today's our topic is business versus job. So I am supporting business. In my point of view, business is much better than compare a job. If you wanna earn more money, so you can start any type of business. There is business. There is no limitation of time, and you have freedom to do everywhere.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Hassan Khan and I am learning English over here. Today's topic is job versus business, and I support business because if we can work for any person or any organization, so why we can't work for ourselves? That's why I am supporting business. Thank you very much.
If we talk about, in my practical circle, in my practical life, most of the people usually say about the business. But do you think that when you start a business, so you will start earning the first month of your business? Will it not take a time? I strongly believe that a business and a new startup is like a plant. So same like that. If you talk about a plant, so first of all he will become a tree, then he will be able to provide the fruits and shadow as well. So same example with the business. It will take time to be strong, and then it will provide you whatever you want. So till then, how will you survive? If you talk about my family situation, if my mother will ask with me about her medicine, so should I answer my mom that mom, please wait for 1 year, I will provide you double medicine? So do you have any logic? And if I have to take lunch and I have to survive, everywhere I have to go, so I need money instantly. And in job life and in our job we can get salary every month. So that's the basically point. That's why I'm supporting job.
In business, we are the owner of our business, but in job, we have to work under some persons.
If we are doing a job and we want more money, so we have to ask our boss and have to please him to give us more money. But in business, we can generate unlimited earnings.
First of all, I would like to ask the question of business supporter. If you start your business, so definitely you have to spend money firstly. So if you don't have money, so what will you do?
If you want to start a business and you don't have enough money, so first thing you can do is a cottage industry. We can also do a cottage industry, but we can also take a loan from the bank to start our business.
That can help a lot. Yes.
Yes, we can take a loan from the bank. That would help, and if our business grew up, then we can pay back to the bank.
We can ask from our relatives.
Yes.
We are going to start a very small business.
I want to ask you one question.
Okay.
If you are saying about little jobs, so why are you not going to little startups?
If I like start a little startup like little business, so definitely I have to spend money, and I don't have much money. Okay, I have money, but I don't have much money. I have money which I can spend on my own self and like give my father and mother nothing else. That's why I am not right now.
Start the business. You can't start your business. Okay, don't start your business.
Business owner bears their full responsibility for their own business success and failures. So wouldn't it be a waste of time if the business fails?
Yes, indeed. This is
I wanna answer to Mahanur, as I think business is very risky. But if you will not take risk, so how you will become successful?
Okay, I also have some questions. Actually, one question. Okay, boys or males are talking about the business is quite understood. Why all you girls about talking on business? I have a question. Because if you will, let's suppose your relative means your brother, your father. If they are busy in the business, they are not able to give. They are not able to spend time with you. Unless will you support the business as well? If my father or my brother and another personality can't be able to spend time with us, because most of the females are very conscious regarding that spend time with us regarding their babas, I mean fathers and brothers, that they don't have sufficient time with us. They can't understand regarding their effort, what they are doing in their jobs and business, whatever. So they always complain that spend time with me, spend time with me. So you are supporting business. So will you agree that if they are not able to spend time with you?
Well, that's true that when you have business, you have to spend much more time than comparatively in the job. In job, you have selected time that for 8 hours you work, or maybe more than 8 hours, 10 hours you work. But after that, you are free. You can manage your time. You can have the wonderful balance of the life. But when you talk about business, you have to sacrifice a lot of things. Keep it in the mind, okay?
In business, we can close our business and we can spend time with our family. But in job, if our boss give us permission, then we go our family.
Well, running a business can be stressful and overwhelming, and it often requires long hours of hard work. You are saying that in business we can spend time with our family, but it's incorrect. In business, long hours of hard work can lead to far distinction between work and personal life.
In my point of view, the importance of business, I tell you from beginning, when so many emperors came in India, like Tughlaq, Lodi and Mughals, why they came here? They came here for playing video games or PUBG games? No, they came here for business. And Mughals do so many business in India, like jewels and garments, textiles, and indigo dye, and they are imported horses and gold and silver. If you see in Islamic point of view, Allah gave us a gift to Muslim is business. And if you see 58 countries in all over the world, means Muslim world, they are all depend on business, like Saudi Arab, like Qatar, like Iran, Iraq, and our Pakistan also.
Okay, Nadeem, when you talk about other countries that they are promoting on jobs and they are they are promoting on the business, and they are promoters, the businessmen as well, newcomers in the industry. But what about Pakistan? Do you think that the business or newcomers will be appreciated here? No. Even you will, you will start a single stall. So most of the people, the town officers, the policemen, most of the people will come to discourage you, and their contribution is a huge burden for you, and that's why I don't believe that a newcomer or a new businessman, if they do not have any strong reference, it do not have a strong investment, so he can be survive here. I don't think so.
A business is a retailable process that creates and delivers something of value that person wants or needs. A consumer that defines a product with business is a needs and expectations. A business is an economic that involves a exchange sales products purchase with a motive to earn profit of a consumer needs.
Well, I have observed one thing. This is my personal experience that job cannot be transferred to your children, but business can be transferred to your children. It seems like that a tree, you just plant a tree. When it is super ready to give you the fruits, you transfer to your children. This is a beautiful example or supporting business point of view.
We are businessmen. We can purchase every time, every talent, and every degree because we are businessmen. As a job holder, what can you give?
Okay, Mohsin, I want to answer you, or not only you, all the businessmen who thinks that he is hiring us and he is, making favor with us. But the unit of any business or the unit of any company is a labor. If there is no labor, so there is no labor, so there is no businessman in the world. All right.
Yes, indeed. Yes,
And if you think that you are hiring us, so we are providing service to you. All right.
If you start your business, so definitely you need employee. And if you don't have employees, so how can you grow your business? So employee is a backbone of your if employee is a backbone of businessman.
In job, you can get fired on your mistake, and on your startups, you can continue.
But I wanna say to you, like in a job, there's a lot of time of learning. Like we can learn many things, and there's less risks, and we can learn many things without any losing. And in business, where you have to keep learning and upgrading with an added risk. Like if you make one mistake, so you could lose it all.
could be on roads.
Yeah.
In my point of view, if you are a good businessman like Bill Gates or Mukesh Ambani or Shahid Khan, they give so many jobs to poor peoples.
And last, I would like to ask you a question that what do you suggest for a person who is looking for a job and he wants to just, pursue his or her, career. And what about a person who start a business? How do you suggest that person and what do you suggest?
If everyone talking about business, and if everyone discourage the job person or discourage a job, so remember one thing: a businessman will be a businessman through a salary person and through a labor. First of all, is that all right? So I would like to suggest the person who is supporting job and is looking for a job. So improve you, and there is a machinery, and a machinery will be made a little parts. So and if any parts will be damaged, so of course the machine will be useless. So there's simple like that. A business is like a machinery and you are the spare part of it. So become that spare part. If you will be replaced, so the machine will be useless.
I want to say that to business supporters, if you have patience and you can take risk, and also you can take responsibilities, because if you start your business, so there's a lot of risk and there's a lot of responsibilities. First of all, you should like that type of person, strong will, and you have to patience. It's a compulsory. Everyone doesn't have tolerance, and everyone cannot take risk.
I personally believe building a successful business can increase your personal wealth. And also in my point of view, if you have a jobs, apart from job, you do business also, because you can give jobs to other peoples with the help of business.
Now I want to end my debate with this verse that I would like to remind you all guys that we are Muslims, and we strongly believe that the risk of every human being already written by Allah. So if you think that you will do business, you will get more money and you will increase your risk, no, that's not. The thing which you will have get which will you get. So it will be written already. So it doesn't matter that are you doing job or are you doing business. So what what it will be in your luck, you will get. Thank you.
My last point is like our Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam tell to Muslim how to do business with honesty. Like our Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, one day he is going to sell dates, and during this period it was raining very fast. All dates are wet. Our Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam sort out dates, wet dates one side and dry dates one side. They do not do like in our modern times, greengrocer sprinkling water on vegetables, gain weight and earn extra money.
A business may give risk, hard work, and responsibility, but once a business is accomplished, then it would be respected and would be well known, so everyone would come and help us.
I wanna end my debate. Businessman is very successful person. In business, we can get so many profit.
My last point is business is very important nowadays surviving in Pakistan.
A business entity is not necessarily separate from the owner.